Hi, I'm from Chettinad. So we've been trying for so many companies to integrate chatbot in our website for admission purpose and other solutions also. But ultimately, we couldn't find better solutions, and we find Nettyfish WACTO was convenient for us. It has all the solutions which we are looking for, and there are slightly changes in the increase in the application form or admissions, and we've been able to connect all the details in time. And the team of Nettyfish was very coordinated with us, and they came. The entire team came here and they explained the details, and we have done the onboarding for Chettinad. That's all I would recommend for any people who involved in admission purpose. Thank you.